How many types of concrete batching plants are there? There are many classification standards for concrete plants. Concrete plant can be divided into dry mix plant and wet mixing plants depending on whether a central mixer is used. It can be also divided into stationary concrete plant and mobile concrete plant depending on whether can be movable. Dry mix concrete plant. A dry mix concrete plant, also known as transit mix plant, weighs sand, gravel, and cement in weight batchers via digital or manual scales. All the ingredients then are discharged into a chute which discharges into a truck. Meanwhile, water is either being weighed or volumetrically metered and discharged through the same charging chute into the mixer truck. These ingredients are then mixed for a minimum of 70 to 100 revolutions during transportation to the job site. Wet mix concrete plant. A wet mix concrete plant combines some or all of the above ingredients, including water, at a central location into a concrete mixer. That is, the concrete is mixed at a single point, and then simply agitated on the way to the job site to prevent setting, using agitators or ready-mix trucks, or hauled to the job site in an open-body dump truck. Dry mix differ from wet mix plants in that wet mix contains a central mixer, whereas dry, which can offer a more consistent mixture in a shorter time, generally 5 minutes or less. Dry mix plants typically see more brake strength standard deviation and variation from load to load because of inconsistencies in mix times, truck blade and drum conditions, traffic conditions, etc. With a central mix plant, all loads see the same mixing action, and there is an initial quality control point when discharging from the central mixer. Certain plants combine both dry and wet characteristics for increased production or for seasonality. Mobile batch plant can be constructed on a large job site. Mobile concrete plant. The mobile batch plant, also known as a portable concrete plant, is a very productive, reliable, and cost-effective piece of equipment to produce batches of concrete. It allows the user to batch concrete at most any location, then move to another location and batch concrete. Portable plants are the best choice for temporary site projects, or even stationary locations where the equipment height is a factor or the required production rate is lower. Stationary concrete plant. The stationary concrete plant is designed for produce high-quality concrete. It has the advantages of large output, high efficiency, high stability, and high specification. Stationary concrete batching plant adopts reliable and flexible. It is easy to maintenance and owning a low failure rate. It is widely used in various projects such as roads and bridges, ports, tunnels, dams, and buildings.